Good morning to all of you. Today I am standing over here and I am going to discuss about communication. Communication plays a very important role in our life. If you are a good communicator, right, you can create many opportunities in your life. But if you are not a good communicator, you can't create any kind of opportunity in your life. Because इस दुनिया में 3 लोगों की सबसे ज़्यादा डिमांड रहती है. कौन कौन से लोग हैं भाई? एक दैट पर्सन हु कैन स्पीक वेरी परफेक्टली एंड वेरी नाइसली, दैट इज कॉल्ड द कम्युनिकेटर और इट इज कॉल्ड द ऑरेटर. राइट, कम्युनिकेटर, राइट. If you can communicate properly, you can create many opportunities in your life. You can impress numberless people. And anywhere you can go, you can find the better options in your life. और एक होते हैं, एक तो ऑरेटर और कम्युनिकेटर, दे आर ऑन डिमांड. और दूसरे लोग होते हैं कौन से? इनोवेटर्स. Innovators are called those people who do every work with perfection, with different style, because style is also very important in the world. If you can create the different style from other people's, you are on demand. आपकी डिमांड बढ़ जाएगी. और एक होते हैं थर्ड, they are called the inventors. जो आविष्कार करने वाले लोग हैं, जो चीज़ दुनिया में नहीं है, दैट स्टाइल यू आर ब्रिंगिंग, दैट थिंग यू आर ब्रिंगिंग, देन यू आर आल्सो ऑन डिमांड. और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट कम्युनिकेशन वे, इफ यू कैन कम्युनिकेट इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, if you can communicate in English language, right, you can create the impression in the whole world. Even you are standing in Worli, standing anywhere, any country, any corner of the world, you can express yourself better and you can impress unlimited people. Nowadays you can see in every company you can find there is a call center, right? Domestic call centers and international call centers. In domestic call centers, if you are working, even you can speak slightly Hindi, it is okay. But if you are working in an international call center, only your communication should be up to that level. If you can understand the foreign accent, easily you can mint money in that field. Right? If you are working in international call center, you can get handsome salary. Even you don't have any kind of degree, high-fi degree, still if you can communicate properly with the foreigners, that company can hire you and you can mint money. mint money कहते हैं अंधाधुंध पैसा कमा सकते हो. अंधाधुंध का मतलब है ईमानदारी से. तो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कैन प्रोवाइड यू दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू यू कि यू कैन वर्क, you can work and you can get the better opportunities. So communication plays a very important role in your life. Mostly people, they have lot of knowledge but still they are not able to express what they have, how to channelize your skills before others. If you can't say what you have in your heart, how anybody can understand you have something in yourself? Language is just like a key that can unlock your personality, that can unlock your skills. Communication एक ऐसी चाबी है जिसके द्वारा आप अपने जो लॉक्ड है आपका ज्ञान, उस ज्ञान को आप दुनिया के समक्ष खोल के रख सकते हो. Right? तो you should develop this quality in your personality. If you can communicate better way, and how you can communicate better way? If you want to communicate better way in English, I am talking about mainly English. So you should keep some things in your mind. कुछ चीज़ें अपने जहन में आपको रखनी चाहिए. What things they are? First of all, you should know the nitty gritty of English. English का जो basic translation formula है वो आपको पता होना चाहिए. It is called the nitty gritty or baseline of English. And second thing, you should have standard vocabs. If you have vocabs, you can say easily and smoothly. If you don't have vocabs in your mind, sufficient vocabs, at the time of speaking, you are searching, you are not getting easily and smoothly. आपको वर्ड्स नहीं मिलेंगे, तो आपके पास शब्दों का भंडार होना चाहिए. Right? Dictionary is a very nice book. If you can go through the dictionary, if you can keep dictionary in your mind, all over the world, you can go anywhere, you can say your points better. कभी कभी कहने को तो बहुत कुछ अच्छा होता है आपके पास है, but you are running short of words. आपके पास शब्द नहीं होते कहने के लिए. तो most of the time people say कि I have many words, I have many things to say, but I am not getting proper words. Sometimes people are saying कि I want to appreciate something in your appreciation, in your praise, but I am running short of words. कहते नहीं कि मैं आपकी तारीफ तो करना चाहता हूँ लेकिन मेरे पास शब्द नहीं मिल रहे हैं मुझे. I am not getting the proper words. If you can get the proper words, then you can appreciate, you can praise to anyone, and you can say your point easily and firmly and pointedly. So work on this quality. कि develop good communication skill in your personality. After that, you can present your skills before the world. दुनिया के समक्ष आप अपनी जो काबिलियत है उसको रख सकते हैं. English language is a global language. Anywhere in the world you are standing, English can give you a flourishing career to you. इंग्लिश कैन गिव यू अ फ्लॉरिशिंग करियर टू यू. फ्लॉरिशिंग कहते हैं लहलाता हुआ करियर आपको दे देगा. इंग्लिश कैन गिव यू आउटस्टैंडिंग करियर टू यू. बट इफ यू कैन कम्युनिकेट प्रॉपरली इन इंग्लिश, नॉट लाइक अ हाल्टरिंग ट्रेन, रुक रुक कर बोलने में वो मज़ा नहीं आता है. दैट यू कैन स्पीक ओनली इन वन फ्लो एंड वन वे एंड वन आर्टिकुलेशन. If you can articulate your thoughts properly, then you can impress anyone. And when you are going to appear in any kind of interview, at the time you have learned 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and only interview is conducted 4 minutes or 5 minutes, you are appointed or you are disappointed. You are rejected or you are selected. Only 4-5 minutes are very important to learn this skill, how to present yourself. Okay? इसीलिए अपने कम्युनिकेशन स्किल को बहुत बढ़िया बनाइए and be a nice communicator. If you are a nice communicator, you can do outstanding performance in this world. एक इंसान ही तो है जिसको बोलना आता है. राइट? अदर फॉर्म्स ऑफ लाइफ लाइक एनिमल, ट्रीज, प्लांट्स, इंसेक्ट्स, डॉग्स, buffaloes, cows, they can't speak. Only human has this power and this unique quality. He can speak. और जितना अच्छा आप दुनिया में बोल सकते हैं उतनी अच्छी चीज़ें विल अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड्स यू, आपकी ओर अट्रैक्ट होना शुरू हो जाएगी. इफ़ यू आर स्पीकिंग गार्बेज, you are attracting garbage towards you. If you are speaking diamonds, you are attracting diamonds towards you. Right? So all the time try to speak best.